know that feeling. It's 6 o'clock on a Friday. A big order just landed. And somewhere in your team, somebody is staring at a spreadsheet, trying to figure out if you actually have the stock to fulfill it. That sinking uncertainty. That scramble. That phone call you really don't want to make to a customer. I've spoken to warehouse managers, business owners, and stock operators all across the country. And almost every single one has felt it, that quiet dread of not truly knowing what is in their warehouse. Right now. Not last week. Not what the spreadsheet says. What is physically, actually, there right now. Imagine starting your Monday morning, and instead of chasing down reports, instead of calling 3 different people just to get a stock count, you open one screen, and everything is just there. Every product, every warehouse location, every batch, every serial number, every unit you have in stock, updated in real time. The anxiety of not knowing? Gone. The hours lost reconciling spreadsheets? Gone. That Friday afternoon panic? You'll barely remember what it felt like. Calm. No more scrambling for answers. Clarity. One screen. Everything. Real time. Confidence. Make decisions you can stand behind. IWM gives you real-time stock levels across every warehouse you run, whether that's one building or 6 sites spread across different cities. The moment a product dips below its reorder level, you'll know. Not after a stock out. Not when a customer calls to ask where their order is. The system sees it before you do, and it tells you, quietly and clearly, before it becomes a problem. Package. Real-time stock across all locations. Live quantities. Auto-updated the instant a movement is recorded, no manual syncing. And because stock is never just a number, IWM tracks every item the way it deserves. Got products with expiry dates. Batch tracking logs every lot, every manufacture date, every shelf life. So you're never caught with expired goods on your shelves, and you're never guessing which batch went where. High-value equipment. Machines. Electronics. Serial number tracking gives every single unit its own identity from the moment it arrives to the moment it leaves your hands. Spiral calendar. Batch tracking plus expiry dates. Know exactly which lot is expiring and when before it costs you. Input numbers. Serial number tracking. Every unit has an identity. Every movement has a record. When you need to move stock between warehouses, IWM handles the entire journey from the request through transit all the way to the confirmation. And when it's done, the balances update on their own. No double entry. No risk of counting the same unit twice. You'll also know exactly what your inventory is worth at any given moment. Not a rough estimate. Not last month's cost price. The live valuation of every product in every location, calculated using FIFO or weighted average, whichever method your business runs on. And when it's time to restock, IWM connects you to your suppliers, your purchase orders, and your receiving process. When a delivery arrives, one action marks it received and your stock updates on its own. Your team doesn't have to remember to do anything. The system just handles it. Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough when it comes to stock systems. Trust. Can you trust the number on the screen? Can you trust that the person who received that delivery actually recorded it? Can you trust that nobody changed a quantity without a reason? IWM is built around that question. Every action in the system, every stock movement, every transfer, every login, every settings change is permanently logged. With the name of the person who did it, the time they did it, and exactly what changed. It's not surveillance. It's accountability, and it protects your team just as much as it protects your business. Different people see different things. Your warehouse operators see exactly what they need to do their job. Your managers see the full picture. Your accountants see the valuation reports. Your administrator controls all of it from one place. Nobody has access they shouldn't have, and nothing happens without a trace. 05 the people, not just the system. Think about the people who work in your warehouse right now. The operator who scans in a delivery at 7 in the morning. The manager who needs to confirm by noon whether there's enough stock for the afternoon's orders. The director in a meeting, being asked right now what the inventory position looks like this quarter. Each of them needs a different view of the same reality. IWM is built for all three. The operator gets a clean, simple interface. The manager gets dashboards, alerts, and live counts. The director gets valuation reports, audit trails, and the kind of clarity that makes board presentations feel easy. Running a business that touches physical goods is genuinely hard. It demands attention, precision, and a team that actually cares. You've already got the team. IWM gives you the system that matches their effort. That makes their work visible. That turns the daily chaos of stock management into something calm, controlled, and completely transparent. No more second-guessing. No more spreadsheet headaches. No more Friday afternoon scrambles. Just your business, running the way you always knew it could. We'd love to show you what IWM looks like inside your operation. A short demo, your real numbers, your actual setup, so you can see exactly what changes on day one. Reach out to us today. The first conversation is completely free, and it just might be the most valuable 30 minutes your business has this month.